Learning about these 20 mind-blowing fun facts is just the beginning of the journey into the world of ocean creatures. As we continue to explore and understand more about these amazing animals, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complex and delicate ecosystems that make up our ocean environments. So next time you're by the sea, take a moment to reflect on the incredible diversity of life that exists beneath the surface. Who knows what other amazing facts and secrets are waiting to be discovered?